Hello and hi everyone. I'm Krishna. Welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, how are you? I hope you all are fine. And today I'm going to show you how to join class in a Google Classroom. In my last video, I showed you how to create a class in a Google Classroom. I hope you might have seen that video. Before starting this class, I would like to request you all to subscribe my channel and don't forget to leave a like on my videos. And if you have any queries and questions about the use of Google Classroom, please leave a message in the comment box. I will try my best to answer that queries and questions in the next video. Okay, let's get started. How to join class in a Google Classroom. First of all, in order to be a student of Google Classroom, you must have a Gmail ID. And let me go in my Gmail. I open it. Okay, now it is going to open. After opening the Gmail, we have seen are the 9 dots. Okay, in our right hand side, we go there and we click on it. Now there is an access of Google Classroom. Okay, I go and click on it. Now it is going to open. Okay, and there is a symbol of addition in our right hand side. We need to go there and click on it. There are two options, join class and create class, and today we are going to join class in a Google Classroom. So we click on it. Now it asks a class code. Okay, this class code is given by a teacher to the students after creating a class of particular subject. So I will show you how to bring the class code. Let me minimize it. And there are many classes. Okay, I will open 10 class and there is a class code. I think you see it. Okay, when I go to this box and click on it, the size of class code becomes large and it is clearly visible. So it is the duty of the students to copy this code and they need to go to the class code and they will type this class code. Okay, and they can join from here. If they click on this join button, then they can be the students of grade 10 in this video. Okay, that is why first of all they ask the class code from their teachers and teachers give them class code and students can type in this way. Finally they become the student of a particular class. Thank you for watching this video and I hope students can join class in a Google Classroom after watching this video. Thank you.